Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create pivot table in Google Sheet. As you are seeing my screen, we have this data. Now we will create the pivot table using this data. So first you need to select all data and just press Alt IP, or you can go to the insert and pivot table. It has taken this range and just click on create. We will create the pivot table on new sheet. It has added a new sheet as pivot table 4. We will create our pivot table here. So we have some suggested options also. You can take the average of units sold for each date. You can take the sum of gross sale for each product, average discount for each segment. So these are the few suggestions which you can quickly create by just clicking here. You can see the preview also. Just click on this. It will show the preview of this pivot table, how it will look like, or you can click here. This is product wise gross sale, and click here. This is segment wise average discount. Okay, or you can create from the scratch also using these. So first let me show you if we create an automated pivot table from the suggestion how we will create this. So let's say I want to get the sum of gross sale for each product. I will simply click here and immediately this pivot table has been created. Okay, if you want to create from the scratch, then you can again go to the data and press Alt IP, create. This is pivot table 5, and let's say we want to create a pivot table which is country wise profit. So we can take the countries in the row. Either we can pick this country column and move to the row here, and in the values we can take the profit. So we can click on this add button, or we can pick the profit and move to the values. So if I click here add and I will select profit, you can see the sum of profit is available here. By default it is taking sum. If you want to change it, you can take, let's say, average profit. It will show the average profit by country, or you can choose any other function from here, but I'm taking sum of profit. If you want to add something in the columns, so let's say I'm saying I want to see country wise, product wise profit, then I can add the product in columns also. So I can simply go to the columns and add, and I will add here product. Let me close this. We have country and then we have different product, and we can see the profit for each country and each product here. So we can quickly summarize the data using the pivot table just on few clicks, and you will quickly get the analysis here. Alright friends, now if I want in rows, not on the columns, if you have limited number, like here we have only 6 product, then this is okay. But what if I have 20, 50 or 100 products? We can't keep them in column because it will be a long pivot. So what we can do, we can keep them in rows. So let's go to the edit, and in place of columns just delete it from here, or you can just move this to the rows. Just put this here after country. So first we have the country, then we have all product, and then we have sum of profit. If you want to move the product first, then country, you can simply move the product here and country here. Just simply pick this product and move before the country. Now product is first. For umbrella it is showing the profit for each country. Okay, we can collapse this. If you want to see only product label, not the country, then you can see the total also, or you can simply right click and go to the collapse all in product. So all are collapsed. We can see the totals here. Alright, or we can simply right click and expand all product. Alright, now what if you want to add more parameter? We have taken only profit. I want here gross sale, sale, discount, and cost of goods sales. So what I can do here, in the value I can add more field. So just add here sales, then again in the value add gross sale. So gross sale should come first, then we should add the discount, and discount should come after gross sale, then net sale or sale, then profit, or before the profit we should add the cogs also, so we can move the cogs here. Now let me close this, so we can see here all information. We have first gross sale, then this is discount, and then this is sum of sales, and then we have cogs here, and this is profit. Alright, and for each product and each country. If you want to remove the country, simply click on edit and just remove the country from here, just cancel this. So we have only product level information. Now if you want to filter the data, let's say by country, I want to see the data only for USA for each product and these parameters, then we can put the country in the filter. So just click on this edit button and go to the filters. In the last we have filters, click here and let's select country. Now we can put the filter, just uncheck all and keep only United States, click on OK. So we are seeing the data only for the United States. Alright friends, so friends, that is how you can quickly filter the data and you can see the data for the multiple parameters. Now if you want to show the percentage also, then how you can show that? Let me quickly show you with another example. So I'm going to the data and I'm going to insert another pivot table, and here let's take the country in the rows and I want to take values as sales. So we have country wise sales here, but I want to show the percentage for each country, the contribution in the sale. So what I can do, I can add here again sales. So we have two sales here. Now for the second one, the second sales in the values, we can go to the show as and let's take here percentage of grand total. So here we have the percentage for each one. Almost 21% sales we are getting from United States of America, and here we are getting 19.8 from Germany. We can easily create the percentage for each country in terms of the contribution of the sales. Now what if I want to add the column also? Let me show you. So in the columns, let's say I want to add the data for segment. We have different segments here. Now quickly we can see it is showing the sum of sales first, then it is showing the percentage of each segment. But here if you will see, it is taking 1.52 and here it is taking 16.52. For the government segment it is taking 44.22. Okay, and in the last it is showing 100%. So it is taking the percentage according to the grand total, this column. But I'm saying I want for each individual row. Okay, that should show the contribution here. So what I can do, I can go to the sales here and in place of percentage of grand total, I can say percentage of columns. Now here you can see it is taking 100% and this is the bifurcation here. Okay, for channel partners, the maximum sales we are getting from Canada. Similarly, we can see for the enterprises also, the maximum sales we are getting from United States. Okay, so that is how you can easily analyze your data, creating this type of percentage. Similarly, you can see your data in the rows total also. If you want to see the contribution in terms of the country for each segment, just click on this edit and let's take in place of percentage of column, percentage of rows. Now here let me show you, we will look at this row now and we can see here we have 100%. So maximum we are getting from government segment 43% for this row. Remove the sales, sum of sales from here, then it will be easy to understand. Now here you can see the total of this should be 100. Okay, and the total of this should be 100%. So this is by row total and we are seeing each segment in a particular country. And if we create here percentage of column, then we are seeing each country for particular segment. Alright friends, so that is how you can use the pivot table to quick analyze your data. The pivot table is very useful in the data analysis process. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.